Hello friends, Dean the Turkey Lakester here. It's Wednesday, October the 9th of 2024. Quick update here with what we're seeing here in East Central Florida from Hurricane Milton. We're in between rain bands right now, looks like, but there's plenty of breeze going on. There was a lot of rain over the afternoon hours. We're expecting it, of course, to pick up overnight and into tomorrow as the storm makes landfall at Tampa or south of Tampa. And yeah, so just checking in to say hey, thank you for the prayers. And my prayers go out to my friends in Florida. So have a gobbletastic day. And just as I stop recording, here comes another batch of rain from Hurricane Milton. Oh yeah. All right. All right. Well, have a gobbletastic day, everyone.